Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Let's get to this look, guys. Okay, guys, so next I shaded my eyebrows with my um eyeliner by by RK by Kiss in the color dark brown, and then I cleaned up my eyebrows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. Okay guys, so next I want to take my brush and I'm going to blend in my concealer. Okay guys, so next I'm using my Jeremy Scott Hit by MAC. And I'm using the eyeshadow color. It is a pink. So I had to put a few coats on this. I'm sorry, I had to use a few coats with this color just because it's so light, but I made it work. So I'm going to use the pink, and then I'm going to go in with a darker brown in my crease. Okay, so this is where I come back in with the darker shade in my crease. Okay guys, so I'm putting on my face primer. As you guys can see, I already have on my wing liner and also in my lashes. The footage that I had, it got deleted. I don't know how, but it's no longer here. I recorded this video a couple of months ago, so just work with me guys. You can also go refer back to my other videos. Yeah, I was just getting it all like listen to my music while I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, y'all little dance. But so now I'm going to put on my foundation. This is the matte Pro Long Wear foundation, and this is in the color NC45. So I'm going to blend this in. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. I'm going to just put this in the places that I want highlighted. And that's my under eye, my forehead area, the bridge of my nose, and my chin.
Only by frozen memories.
Okay guys, and now I'm going to blend in my concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to use my, this is the Banana Finishing Powder by NK. It's a cheap brand, guys. It was like $2.99. So all I can say is it did the job. But yes, I'm going to just put this in the areas to set my makeup. And then I'm going to brush it off. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go under my eye with the same pink eyeshadow that I used. So I'm going to go under each eye with that color. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Clinique mascara. I'm going to go under, I'm just going to use this on my lower lash.
We're free, bound only by frozen memories.
Okay, so I'm going to now contour. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color, I can't even see the color, guys. This is in the color mahogany. Okay. I still have the plastic on it, so oh my god, it was just so hard to see. So yes, the color mahogany pro conceal by LA Girl. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use my highlighter by e.l.f. and I'm going to highlight under my eyebrows and in the corner of my eyes. Okay guys, so I'm going to take the same highlighter and I'm going to highlight my cheekbone area and my nose. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use my matte pink lipstick by NYX and I'm going to finish off this look.
Bound only by frozen memories. It's hard. Racing all these broken dreams.
I'm going to use my e.l.f. setting spray. Okay guys, I hope that you like this look. Please subscribe to my channel. Please thumbs up. I look forward to coming back to you guys with some new looks. And I will see you guys later. Bye.